Alright, this is what we got going on today. I'm gonna be removing this dead mape. Man, what a shame, you know, what a shame. But it needs to go. It's been dying for a long time. Alright, let's do it. Go ahead. Pause here. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Clear. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep. You're clear. Okay. Yep. Go, just got done. Bam. House is still standing. We grind the stump, cut out some of the wood. There you go. They wanted to keep the wood, they wanted to keep some of the sawdust. So there you go. Alright.